Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we're moving up, so enough with our hips and we will do something with our chest, and this something will be chest lift. We did something similar while doing a chest circle. If you want to check it out, here's a link to this video. Because back then we were working with our chest outside, flat and back. Outside, back, outside, back, and it was one of the points which was needed to do the chest circle. Now we change the direction a little bit and we will go up as the name lift suggests. So you can think about this movement like making it in the direction where the wall is meeting with the ceiling, so diagonal up. And the technique stays the same. Of course, I will explain here everything. So we still have our proper body posture, feet parallel, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly, open chest, nice stretch. And what we already did was our chest moving outside. Push to the front and back. And now I want to do it to diagonal. So I'm pushing, lifting my chest up, and go back, up and go back, up and go back, up and go back. And what I want to do and what I don't want to do. I want to work with my muscles in the back and I want to squeeze my shoulder blades so they can push, not push or lift the chest up. So there is a lot of work in my back. The muscles are really engaged, lifting the chest up, lift and come back, lift and come back, lift and come back, lift and come back. And you never want to do the back position. So don't do this, always come back to our neutral position. So up and back to the neutral position, up and back to the neutral position, up, come back, up, come back. Watch out for your pelvis, you don't want to open it. So you're doing this movement, you should do this movement without your pelvis. The pelvis stays in one place and it's only chest lift and come back, lift and come back. And last thing that stays isolated is our hands and shoulders. So you don't want to open everything because of course the back is working, but there is no isolation in the rest of your body, of your upper body. So really work, squeeze those shoulders blades and try to work only with your chest. Up and come back, up and come back, up and come back, up, back, and lift, come 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 back. And see the difference between the point from the chest circle, so pushing flat, to the front, back, lift, and flat, and lift, and flat, and lift. Of course, still the back is really working, the shoulder blades are working, but you direct the movement differently. Yes, so front and lift, and front and lift, and front and lift. And we stay with the lift. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And this is how you do a chest lift. So if you like this episode and you've managed to do a chest lift, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss new content on my YouTube channel. And if you have any question or doubts, leave a comment below. I will answer and try to explain how to do this do this movement in a proper way. And if you are interested in more advanced content, for example, more advanced combos, variations of movements, if you want to gather information about history, culture, language, psychology, all oriental dance related, feel free to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course here on my YouTube channel. I encourage you also to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily oriental dance life. And I hope to meet you here next week for the new basic movement in oriental dance. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!